time?
No, I was in on Friday and they didn't have them. They had to give us temporary ones. And they said come back on Monday. So
Yeah, you should be fine.
okay. If I have to use the potty, what? Bathroom.
You get checked first, bathroom first, whichever one. That's the exorcist. Leo, you have to send it to me.
Funky chicken out there.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you, man.